All right, you guys, so we're at the FIVE Palm Jumeirah. They have a really nice bathroom, nice tile, nice big bathtub, gold finishes. Over here you have the walk-in shower. It's a nice shower. Look at all the gold fixtures. Then over here, you have the toilet and the bidet. Then if you look at all these walls are closets. This is where your closet area. It's a nice closet. Then over here, you have more space. Your ironing board, more space to put your stuff. You walk into the actual room. It's a nice sized room. King bed, sofa. Look at the gold finishes on these too. Everything is gold themed, so that's real nice. Look over here, you have a vanity area, so your wife can do her makeup. Nice big screen TV. The mini bar is really nice. They got a fully stocked mini bar. All the good alcohols that you can ask for. A little bit of everything, champagne. You walk out onto the balcony and it's nice. You're overlooking the marina over there. All the rooms. It's the water right there, you guys. And yep, that concludes our room tour.